Hello traders! On this occasion, I will provide a forward test review from two expert advisors, namely Yoforex and Blackbird. For the Yoforex expert advisor, I run it on the three recommended pairs, namely gold to USD, US 30 shares, and pounds sterling to USD with the M5 time frame. Meanwhile, for the Blackbird expert advisor, the recommended pair is only Euro to USD with the H1 time frame. I started the detailed forward test on February 9th with capital of $10,000 aiming to analyze the level of profit and risk. Currently, the profits achieved have reached $305. To see the trading account report that I ran using both expert advisors, let's switch to the myfxbook.com page. This profit of $303 is equivalent to 3% profit growth from initial capital of $10,000. The highest drawdown recorded was 1.11%. The trading results of the four pairs are as follows. Euro to USD, total trades 18 with profit $157. Pound sterling to USD, only 3 trades with a profit of $8. US 30 shares, total 50 trades with profit of $40. Gold to USD, total 67 trades with profit of $96. The lot sizes used by the two expert advisors are as follows. Yoforex, starting from 0.01 lot for all pairs. Blackbird, starting from 0.10 lots for the Euro to USD pair with automatic adjustments based on balance. For advanced statistical information, the total open trades are 215 with a win rate of 64%. The average loss is higher than the average profit, and the average trading duration is 1 hour 16 minutes. To run this expert advisor, it is recommended to use a fast VPS with low latency for optimal trading results. The link for VPS registration is available in the video description. Detailed parameters of the Yoforex expert advisor include order settings, risk management, loss cut, drawdown recovery, RSI indicator settings, moving average settings, time management, day management, and support for news filter settings for 7 pairs. Meanwhile, the parameters of the Blackbird expert advisor include initial lot size, maximum lot size, and money management settings, including profits which can be set based on the balance percentage and stop loss which refers to the nominal balance, with a high default stop loss reaching $4,500. That is the first review of the forward test expert advisor Yoforex and Blackbird. If you like the expert advisor discussion content, don't forget to click subscribe and like. Your support means a lot, and you can also get a free expert advisor on every video you upload. Thank you for watching until the end.